Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. And welcome to episode number 72, Sausage and Choc Zero Maple Syrup Chaffles. For this you'll need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of almond milk. We ended up using heavy cream because we didn't have any almond milk on hand. 2 tablespoons of powdered Swerve, 2 tablespoons of Choc Zero maple syrup, and of course 3 sausage links. And then once I got everything all whisked in the measuring cup, I got my little mini dash going. And the Choc Zero, I eyeball a lot of it, so just so you guys know that, for those of you who've been following me along for quite a while now. And the amount you put in basically varies, so, unless you're really, really careful and you want to just calculate everything up in Carb Manager or in MyFitnessPal and some other websites, it's pretty much basic recipe. So what I did was, once I got everything all going, I got the new mini dash going and sprayed it with a little bit of cooking spray, butter, and put my measuring thing on the top of the Chaffle without making too much of a mess. And over here, I was just whisking it really good in the measuring cup. And measuring cup usually makes it a lot easier to put it onto the dash here. And then if you're using the coconut flour, it acts like an absorb, and it really absorbs the liquid really a lot. But these came out nice and fluffy. These would be great for any sandwiches, and I didn't know what I wanted to make with these. I usually a couple of eggs or an egg's over easy, so I end up taking some sausages and putting it over the top and just put a little more Choc Zero over the sausages, and it came out really good for a morning breakfast. Or, any time of day is really good. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and, be watching for some more amazing recipes. And again, I bought a nice Chaffle book there, 800 Chaffle recipes, and we've been creating some Chaffle recipes out of those that are already currently playing. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and have an amazing day.